for a healthier future.
So a lady said to me, I was diagnosed with fatty liver 10 years ago. I said, oh, you probably don't have it now. Because it can resolve very quickly. As soon as you give the body the right conditions, how clean would your body be if you washed it in fruit juice? We're finding fatty liver in people today who don't drink alcohol.
Are you in trouble with fatty liver disease? Today, under the guidance of renowned health expert Barbara O'Neill, we will discover simple yet effective ways to protect your liver health and reverse fatty liver disease. Are you giving your liver the care it deserves? Improper diet, sedentary lifestyles, and processed foods are threatening our liver health, especially at a time when non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is quietly spreading. But the good news is that with the right and decisive steps, this negative situation can be completely reversed. Deceptive innocence, fruit juices. While a glass of juice may seem like a natural source of vitamins, it is a potential threat to your liver. Their high fructose content overloads the liver, which is converted into fat and accumulates over time. And the "no added sugar" label is often misleading. In poor harvest years, producers can legally add sugar to sweeten their products. Alternative: instead of a glass of fruit juice, opt for an orange. This way, thanks to the natural fibers, the absorption of sugar slows down and your liver is protected. Say goodbye to high fructose corn syrup. Secretly ubiquitous, high fructose corn syrup is one of the liver's biggest enemies. Taken in through processed foods, sweets, and drinks, it leaves your liver with no choice but to store fat. Solution: carefully examine the labels of packaged products. Alternatively, prepare your own healthy snacks. For example, you can make homemade cookies using honey or a small amount of natural maple syrup instead of sugar. Reduce carbohydrate intake. Refined carbohydrates are another way to fatigue the liver. Instead of white bread, pasta, and processed rice, opt for whole grains or low-carb alternatives. Suggestion: try replacing your rice half and half with cauliflower rice. Less carbs, happier liver. 6 natural ways to heal the liver. 1. Detox with vegetable juices. Natural vegetable juices are a storehouse of nutrients that help detoxify and regenerate the liver. Barbara O'Neill's recipe for vegetarian milk is 80% carrot, 10% celery, and 10% apple. This combination provides the vitamins and minerals the liver needs, while not taxing the digestive system. Also, adding ginger to the carrot juice supports digestion, while adding beetroot increases the liver's detoxification capacity. Usage: an ideal routine is to consume about 200 milliliters, 5 times throughout the day. 2. Detoxification with steam therapy. Steam therapy reduces the burden on the liver through sweating. It accelerates blood circulation while removing toxins from the pores. You can create a steam environment in the bathroom with boiling water and make the experience more enjoyable by adding a few drops of eucalyptus or lavender oil to the water. Recommendation: after the steam therapy, don't forget to drink salty vegetable soup to compensate for the loss of minerals in the body. 3. Green barley and protein supplements. Natural supplements such as protein and green barley powder are extremely beneficial to regenerate liver cells and reduce fatty deposits. Consume green barley powder in the morning and at lunchtime, and protein supplements in the afternoon for balanced support. Why it matters. Green barley cleanses the liver with its high chlorophyll content, while protein supplements provide the building blocks for liver cell repair. 4. Support with herbal teas. Natural herbal teas are prepared with herbs that support liver function. Barbara O'Neill recommends a combination of peppermint, ginger, licorice, and fennel to facilitate digestion and accelerate the elimination of toxins. Simply add a pinch of these herbs to boiling water and steep for 10 minutes. You can sweeten it with honey or lemon. Effect: ginger activates liver enzymes, fennel relieves bloating, and mint provides a relaxing effect. 5. Time-restricted eating, intermittent fasting. It is possible to give your liver a rest by regulating your eating times. For example, leaving a 6-hour eating window and fasting for the remaining 18 hours allows the liver to recover. Benefit: restricting eating time increases the liver's capacity to convert fats into energy and promotes cellular cleansing. 6. Strengthen the liver with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect the liver from free radical damage and speed up repair processes. Recommended foods: orange vegetables. Carrots, pumpkin, and sweet potatoes activate liver enzymes. Green leafy vegetables. Spinach and kale support detoxification. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C-rich lemon and grapefruit regenerate the liver with their antioxidant effect. Usage: it is enough to eat these vegetables raw or steamed for 1 meal a day. Time to take action. A healthy liver is the key to a healthy life. Give your liver a breather by adopting a better diet and lifestyle today. Every small step you take makes a bigger difference. Remember, the most valuable treasure you have is your health. If you like our video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for our new videos.